In this video, I'm participating in a challenge, the Fall Wreath Challenge, hosted by Deco Easy and My Happy Home. So if you want to see what I managed to come up with, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I am participating in a DIY challenge. We are to make a fall wreath, and one of the items in the wreath is to come from a thrift store. But before I get into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and planning and health and beauty, subscribe. Or if you want to learn about products that you could benefit from in your home, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I'll link my favorite home and garden solutions. Okay, so let's get into it. So I'm making a fall wreath, and one of the items in the fall wreath had to come from a thrift shop. But other than that, the sky was the limit. But I was lucky enough to find this. I went to the Salvation Army, and this is what I found. And even more importantly, it was half off, so it was only $3.50. It's a fall wreath, and it had quite a few little embellishments on it already, but there are some spots where it's obvious that some things are missing, so I'm going to embellish it up just a little bit. So things I'm going to use for this challenge include this fall wreath, a glue stick. So I will definitely use some of these things. This pick, these picks, sunflower, a few more picks, and then some other just little goodies that were in a bag of potpourri that you typically just kind of sit it around for fragrance in the fall. But I'm going to get them on the wreath. So this is the bottom and this is the top. And one of the things that I really want to make sure I get on there is this. This is a little pick that I picked up at Joann's. And I'm thinking I want it down in here like this. And I like the dull greens and the dull browns with that, but I just wanted to zhuzh it up with just a little bit of brightness. So I'm going to add that right there. Maybe I'll add a little bit of hot glue on the back. And I'm thinking this one can go in here like this. And then here's another little pick, but it's got some of the muted colors that are already in the wreath. And then I've got some of these little orange, like little acorns, or I don't know what they are, but they're just perfect to add just a little bit of color up here. So let me just kind of see how I want to get some of these things on. Just adds a little bit of color. Now this one's a little pick, so I can just tuck it down in there. Let's get some color up here. Yeah, like right there. Yeah, on that. Okay. Thank you. So here it is, all done. So here we have it. Here's my fall wreath, and it is all done. And I have to tell you, this is probably the first DIY that I did not approach with trepidation. And I think it's because each time I do one, I get just a little bit more comfortable. So when Deco Easy and My Happy Home issued this challenge, I thought, I think I might be able to do that without too much difficulty. Now, I will admit, the hubby did come in and he showed me how to use the glue gun, the hot glue gun, and gave me a couple pointers. But other than that, I did it all myself. So I'm really pleased that I am growing in my DIY capabilities. So one of these days, I'm going to be like Jessica at Measure and Mix, and I'm going to be issuing my own DIY challenge. That's a long time coming, though. I want to take this opportunity to thank Deco Easy and My Happy Home for hosting this challenge. It was really a lot of fun, and it helped me to grow in ways that I had not imagined a year ago today. And if you are not familiar with their channels, I will link them below, and I'll also link the playlist so that you can see some of the amazing fall wreaths that the other creators have done as well. Now here's my question for you. What part of this whole DIY experience do you find most interesting? Tell me in the comments section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and planning and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'm going to go and figure out how to get this wreath on that door.